Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What? We have a 2016 Toyota Rav 4 Hybrid. We're replacing the front brakes. But the front brakes are about 9mm. Why are we replacing? Well, let's take it up top and find out. So here we have the caliper off. We compressed the piston already. And as you can see, there's plenty of meat left on these pads. But the rotor tells a different story. This is the front face. As you can see, we got some flavor growing on the outside rim and on the inside rim. Giggity. You never want rust like that or flavor on the inside rim. Now, the other side of the rotor is where we're getting our main noise from. And you can kind of see that this pad is a little thicker than this pad. And there's a reason for that. So let's get this bracket off, get the pads out of there, and let's get this rotor off and look at the inside face. Very good. Alright guys, here's our inside pad. Look at that striation. Not good at all. It's caused by rust. The inside of the rotor is about 1 to 2mm drop. So this lip here and this lip here is what's causing the noise. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to clean this hub up right here. Put a brand new rotor on. I'm going to clean that bracket out. Get it ready to be installed with some fresh pads. Very good. Oh! All that flavor right. Oh, and the caliper falls. Got the caliper. Oh no! Alright, so now that we checked our brake line and everything is okay after that minor mishap, we got the rotor off. Here it is. Some crazy abnormal wear, abnormal striations in the brake pad. All this was causing noise, a rotational noise, and while braking. Let's get the new parts in. See now the condition of those front rotors, if you just looked at the pad, some goomball will just say, yeah, the pads are good and the rotors are a little rusty. But you have to look at both sides of the rotor, because there's two faces. There's two pages of the story. There's two sides of the story. One side was a little rusty and the other side was a freaking record player giving striations to the pads. So now what we're going to do is we're going to road test the car because we got brand new brakes in there. We're going to burn them in right. We did perform an oil change. All fluids have been topped off to their proper levels where needed. Looks like some goomba spilled some oil. That wasn't me. Drain plug's tight. Alright guys, if you don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.